guys, before we get into this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.
So everybody has a bottle.
We're killing people with this.
I'm just gonna go in the video.
Oh no.
Oh, I have one of those too.
How'd you get that? Wait, how'd you get that? Wait, how'd you get that golden gun? Yo, how'd you get that golden gun?
Take this.
How'd you get that golden gun? Wait, how'd you get it?
I want it. Yeah, I need an extra. I want an extra. I want one.
How did? Oh, he's a modder. Wait. No, wait. He's a developer.
How's he getting stuff? No. How do you? Wait, hold on. I think there might be some new items or something.
No, there's no new items.
Hi, Joe.
Yo, how do you get that?
Yo, you have a big one?
Yo, how do you get the golden gun? Can you please show me?
No, but keep the small ones are better. They're rarer.
Yo, how do you get the golden gun? Can you please show me?
How do you get golden gun?
How do you get golden gun?
How do you get it? Wait, how do you get it?
None of your business, bro.
You actually want a friend?
No, actually, please tell me, dude.
Y'all are
Okay, he's a monkey.
Players. Okay.
Oh, y'all gotta find an admin and get him.
Yeah, that's captain.
I'm
gonna go mine.
Okay, whoever did that's a bully. Like a big bully.
Anybody wanna go to the office with me?
This monkey.
Whoa. Okay. Here's the buffoon doing this.
These monkeys are dying. Yo, is this cool now? It's better. Bless. These monkeys are dying. Yeah, you don't want to kill me because I'm outside of the big bag. We can animal company update.
Stupid.
Oh my God! He killed himself. I don't know why. Who wants to go? Who wants to get some research points?
Me how to get the golden
I need some research points. Depth for.
Join me. Friend me.
Okay, I'll join you.
Friend me. Guys,
what's your name?
Yo, who has a company gun or something? Who has like a company gun or something? Because I kind of want to like. Friend me.
Green, for being nice, you donated 51 nuts. I'm not going to kill.
Hey guys, friend me. 51 nuts.
Guys, we haven't killed anyone with this, so like.
Hey, friend me.
Hello.
Oh, you got the yellow cut too?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Guys, who wants a giveaway?
Yo, you wanna be on my team of killing people?
Can I be your friend instead?
Sure, but you wanna be on my team?
Yeah. Let me go.
Sweet.
Who's doing the giveaway?
The giveaway.
I'm gonna go.
It's an Tater tots is a yo. What happened with your cheese? I'm fetching my stuff on you guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna go.
Okay.
Grind, guys. I don't know about you.
We're kicking people.
Why do you look like a noob? You just killed people for one of it. Well, looks like a noob.
Finally figured out how to get.
Oh, he killed me.
Wait a minute, were you?
No, he killed. You killed me. Oh, where are you going?
Yo.
Okay. My pit! That was mine.
No, it's mine.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Yo, I'll give you this.
You guys are bullies.
I gave you the avoid the ball. He like raptors.
You're a bully. You're a bully.
Got it. I'm gonna lick it till I say that. Next time think about it before you.
So you still want to be on my team, dude?
Guys!
Yeah.
Okay. You might want to one.
Guys! No, it's a giveaway!
I like
Everybody here! Everybody here! I have these lucid dreams.
chicken jockey. Ha.
Oh my god, look at the Easter bunny. I might just kill myself.
Wait, hold on. My ammo. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
You just sent me to his
No, give me that! You monkey! You're a monkey! You're a big monkey! You
Guys,
monkey!
how do I grind?
You're a goofy monkey! You're a bad monkey?
You're black Asian looking. Don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it.
Open monkey.
Research terminal? What the fuck? The research terminal.
Yo,
What the
no
fuck? The
cussing!
research
No
terminal.
cussing!
Can somebody give me a bag? Guys, I gotta find my
What
pickaxe.
the fuck?
That's mine.
Terminal.
Are they empty?
Should I blow one of y'all up?
What the fuck is a research terminal, bruh?
Yo, what's up, dude?
Yes, you are.
You hit me!
No, you.
He hurted me. Money talks, money talks, money talks, bomb, bomb, money talks. Haha, you hurting me!
I don't know why.
Woo! Ooh, I think there's an added for Easter. Yo, they did this Easter update way too late. They did it like a couple months after Easter.
Broke as hell.
Hey.
Hey, can I have my flashlights? I need that.
There's bedrock. There's bedrock.
No, hold on, I got you.
Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff. Good.
I got you.
Good monkey
Oh,
stuff.
thank you.
Yeah, good monkey. Hey, Sarah. Mike.
Yo, do you own
Oi,
launcher
Mike.
ammo?
Oi.
Yup.
Oh, you hit me! You hit me!
That doesn't stop me from having 805.
Bum 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 bum.
Here you go.
Yeah, he's taking everybody's loot.
Child of yours.
Now you're
Somebody know what Elbow is?
Come on, brother.
Oh, whoa. Does somebody here know what Elbow is?
Yo, what?
Does somebody here know what Elbow is?
I know what that is.
Yeah! Elbow, you know what it is?
Yeah.
Yes! Finally, somebody that gets me.
I'm gonna cause maintenance to society. Okay, I kind of gave up with the pickaxe thing, you know. It's just plain. First, I'm becoming...
I've come back with a successful harvest.
I'm becoming a sniper lord. You know what I mean, y'all. Man, bumble clapping with you all. Do I have permission to shoot?
Blood.
I did have permission to shoot. Just wait, did I? Oh, did. Who was I talking to? But still, I'm becoming a pro sniper. Boom!
How did I not get a red watch for that?
I said bumbleclap. Well, yeah, but
I get a red watch.
I told you all, may bumbleclap be with you all.
Oh, RPG. Meet me at the cat.
Do it, do it, do it, do
that's mine. No, that's mine.
Black, did you get it? Black, did you get it? Black, did you get it?
Die.
You're welcome.
Please fund me. Please fund me. Please fund me.
Shut up, kid. You're begging.
Please fund me. So you know all about hell. So you know what hell boss is?
Yup.
Bro, Hell of a Boss sucks, bro. Everybody in that movie
You're gonna
is
regret
demonic.
that.
It's demonic,
Hell
bro.
of a boss
It's
is.
demonic.
Everything about it is demonic, bro.
Everything about it
What you?
is all demons.
Yes,
Oh,
all
hey.
demons.
Nah,
Oh, yes,
nah,
it is, bro.
Go on the same zone. Say what happened, you
No, bro,
monkey.
nobody likes to do a Hell of a Boss.
Oh, my
demons, yo.
God.
Nobody likes you go kill yourself, bro.
Yo, no saying that family friendly. I will have to blow you up and mute you.
Yeah, good thing you're muting. So I can't hear you warn you about hell for boss is so bad. No, I didn't say that. I was talking about that guy. Hell boss is amazing.
I saw a person on the water tower. I knew.
I'm mentally okay. That wait,
I knew he
have you seen all the episodes?
I'm not.
No, blood.
No.
Yep.
No. What episode are you at? What
I
episode
don't
are you at?
remember. We have a dog. We have a target. We have a bomber. God, he's stupid. Buffon just missed that, and it has more
Let
bombs.
me give you a hint. What happened in the last episode? Someone gets pregnant. That's it. That's a hint. That's a hint for the last episode.
I have to watch that.
That's a little hint. That's a little hint. Because I watched the entire thing. When there's a new, every time there's a new one coming out, my dad has to,
Don't make me think about it, Purple.
like do something to mine to make it like, you know, a little
Bomber.
less bad.
Jesus,
Yeah, but the last episode he had to edit out like one thing.
Bro sucks at aiming. Yo, I'm going back to safe zone to get more bombs. Bow, 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 bow.
What are you willing to trade, Red?
I'm not.
That gets me.
How long? Orange cat, let's be done.
Orange cat!
Yo,
Coming up.
Every Hellboss fan of mine is a friend to me.
Orange cat, I'm coming.
Whoever heard a Hellboss
Camel.
fan is my enemy.
Blood thought he killed. I'm still
Because I will
alive.
kill you if you try to hurt any Hellboss fan.
Jesus, bro, I'm getting good at sniping.
Blood thought he killed.
Yo, you okay? Dude? Ah, see you have written. Jesus, you suck at aiming! Bro, just quit trying, man! For real, I'm
Where are you that you said you were going to give me my arc?
not trying to insult anybody, but God! I have to insult that bad aiming, bro. Bro, I haven't used revolvers in a long time. I'm even better than that.
I'm an OG.
He tried to kill
Hey,
me
you
with a
wanna do it?
revolver again.
What? Dude,
Yeah.
do you wanna go in a private server?
We're in a
I'm the
public
OG.
server.
Oh no, you wanna go inside of a private server.
Oh,
So we
private
can talk
server.
about
Sure.
Hellboss.
Orange cat, remember me? I'm the dog that has Stone.
Don't kill me! Don't kill me!
I have to kill these two.
I will kill you!
You're green. That's about to join a private code. I'm about.
B? No, D. That's a code. D-I-L.
No, I'm dead serious.
Oh, buddy, oh, buddy, oh, buddy, oh, pal. Oh, buddy, oh, boy,
Orange cat, if
you
you
made
stayed
a
up here, you would have
mistake.
got a lot of ammo.
I'm blowing people up. I'm absolutely sniping them.
I spawned in with this guy. Look.
Orange cat has the
Ow.
Kid.
Hey, watch this. Yo.
Even with cat, who wants to trade for a mystery backpack? That
Yo.
has something
Okay,
really,
that
really
didn't
bad.
suck.
Who wants to trade for a mystery backpack? That
Okay, I'm done.
Are you ready?
Really bad.
Yep.
Orange cat. Okay. I'm ready. I'm in position. You get
Hey,
it.
so, Mariachi hat. Do you want to trade for this
I
mystery
need a
backpack?
grappler. Or
If you guys don't know what we're talking about, it's a show. Yeah, this video went kind of spiral. It went to killing people with a pickaxe, to sniping people with RPGs. Now this. Well, make sure to like and subscribe. Next video, we're actually staying on.